Okay, guys, this is the real hoodie. Oh my god. Did you ever think I could be so ugly in our life? Well, this is a nighttime regimen, okay? I have my mask on, a moisture mask. I got my teeth whitening on, my hair looking like a freaking mess. Like, I don't know. I got my special device on to have my teeth out so I can light my teeth. I couldn't even talk, but this holds it in so that my shit doesn't come hanging out. But yeah, this is me at nighttime. Is this the ugliest thing you ever did see? Well, I think it is, for God's sakes. Do you think I could ever go out and hit a man like this? No. He ran away so fast. So this is the real me at nighttime, doing my ass. First I took a whole haircut. Then I put my moisture mask on. Then I put my teeth. It's called IntelliLight on. It lightens my teeth. And for the asshole that said I got the fucking ugliest teeth. Well, guess what? They're not ugly. I do this every night to lighten my teeth, and it's really working. So, you out there who thinks I got the ugliest teeth in America and they can look at my videos, so guess what? I'm doing this, and my teeth are gonna look beautiful. So, you know what? This is the real me. I show you everything about me. This is not the hoodie that you see when I make it and hair done and all that stuff. This is it, guys. Hoodie at Her Highness. So, you know, just a quick, cute video of me at night before I go to bed. I kind of laugh, but this is it. The cute, beautiful hoodie in action. Yeah, this is it. The real thing. And then when I got to my Alexa, and I do my face over, and I put my makeup on, well, you're looking cute again. But this is my nighttime routine. To keep my face looking lovely and beautiful, this is what you gotta do. Always wash your makeup off, always put your moisturizer on, always make sure your face is clean before you go to bed. Okay, guys? That's it. Peace out. I love you guys. I know I might look like a monster. Or maybe I look like, hey, what's it gonna play in Batman? The Joker. I think I look like the Joker with the white face. And I'm gonna get ya. I'm gonna get ya. Bye.